everybody. Now, I would like to answer a question given by Mrs. Aya. Check this out. Text number 1. Costs were low that year and the output high. There was a good percent and the market remained firm. There was no losses from fire. All in all, it was the best years in the history of the company. The main idea is stated. The main idea is in the last sentence. The main idea is the best year in history of the company. Because in the text, there is a sentence stating that there are no losses resulting from fire. Text 2. Penicillin is one of the wonder drugs. It has saved thousands of lives already and will save many more in the future. Unfortunately, it has no effect at all on most of the ills of mankind. Penicillin is a very good drug, but it is certainly not a cure-all. The main idea is stated. The main idea is in the last sentence. The main idea is penicillin is a very good drug, but it is certainly not a cure-all. Because in the text, the writer writes a statement that penicillin has no effect on most human diseases. Text 3. When I was a little girl, I took piano lesson every Monday after school. I walked to Miss Xavier's house with my tethered sheet music in my school lunch tiny hands. She taught me the scales, the proper way to hold my small fingers, and the theme song from the Pink Panther. She also taught me much more. From her I learned the necessity of practice, the importance of patience, and the joy of achieving a goal after hard work. She also gave me the gift of music. All of that was learned in a half-hour lesson on Monday afternoon in Hamel, Illinois. The main idea is unstated. The main idea is Mrs. Xavier gave me a lot of teaching about music or how to achieve success. Because in the text is a repetition of word teach. Text 4. Both plant and animal cells are very complex, yet they are very similar when compared to each other. The Venn diagram compares and contrasts plants and animal cells. It consists of cross-sectional cell diagram. Both are explanations of the same concept but use different approaches to visually explain the information. It is interesting that there is so much diversity among living things. Yet, if you look at their cells, they are similar. The only real difference between a human cell, a horse cell, and a chicken cell is the kind of genetic information found inside the cell's nuclei. The main idea is unstated. The main idea is there are similarities and differences between plant and animal cells when comparing them with Venn diagrams. Because in the first sentence and the last sentence, the main idea is not found. Thank you.